Easier home buying is at your fingertips with a CommBank lending specialist.
NAB's 2-year fixed rate home loan is our lowest fixed rate ever.
Sounds like Steve from ANZ has just confirmed pre-approval.
Because we're proud supporters of you.
Not every borrower is made equal. Who you know and what you bring to the table when buying your next home is what determines the competitiveness of the interest rates you get. While we all see great deals on TV, online or in bank windows, one thing they all fail to mention is whether you're eligible for those rates. Instead, these ads are often bait to entice you to lodge an inquiry, only to be disappointed and find out that you never had a chance to begin with. My name is Priscilla Tan, and in this video, I will take you through how you can secure the most competitive interest rates when buying your next home and how we do it here at SF Capital. Everyone wants the lowest home loan rate. I mean, who doesn't want the best deal for themselves? But how do you actually go about getting this? And how can a finance broker like me help you do better? Well, there are 4 main ways that I'll share, so let's begin. The first is market coverage and market knowledge. As a finance broking firm, we have a broad lending panel with over 30 different lenders. With a large variety comes choice. And from choice comes a competitive pressure that helps drive the interest rate down with your preferred lender. Our accreditations with many different lenders also mean that we are the first to get notified when a deal is brought to the market, allowing us to present it to you as soon as possible. Now, of course, you can try doing this yourself, but it's kind of like trying to do your own surgery. It's hard to replace the years of experience and network. The second is that we have the tools at our fingertips to request the best rate and do the hard work for you. Most major banks have pricing tools that allow us to effectively negotiate interest rates on your behalf. These are online systems where a pricing request is submitted, which are not available to the public. Our staff are trained to put your best foot forward in every pricing request, and this is often the starting point before considering non-major and challenger banks. Our practice is to rarely accept the bank's first offer, and we'll typically escalate your request with more information to ensure you get the most competitive offer. Thirdly, we have personal relationships with the bank to help you do better. If a pricing tool gives a response, but we think you can do better for you, we'll stick our neck out for you by leveraging our relationships for another review of your deal. Each lender has a business development manager, or BDM, who we can bring requests and issues to, such as seeking a more competitive pricing outcome. This is especially the case for jumbo home loans or refinancing a large portfolio when securing finance for your next home. As the saying goes, if you don't ask, you don't get. If you don't have a broker right now, you should double check with the bank that they are offering you the best interest rate. Finally, we understand the rate is more about you than it is about the bank. There is no point talking about interest rates when you can't get the loan in the first place. Therefore, the most important step is to make sure that your loan will be approved before going in to negotiate your interest rate. This is about intimately understanding each bank's policy and your strength as a customer. This is about presenting your income, your deposit, and your credit history as positively and as confidently as possible to make sure the bank wants to give you the best deal. Bear this in mind when talking to a bank, and if you ever need a second opinion, speak to an experienced broker to help you to present your scenario under the best light. So that summarizes how we secure the most competitive interest rates. And did you know, our efforts to ensure you get the best deal don't stop at buying your next home. Our annual review process makes sure your rates remain sharp year in, year out for as long as you are an SF Capital client. If you'd like to know more, please don't hesitate to reach out to any member of the SF Capital team. And if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to SF Capital on YouTube and follow us on social media. Thank you, and see you in another next home buying video.